Per Inside EVs, former President Donald Trump continues his opposition to electric cars. Trump criticized electric vehicles for their range, cost, and weight. He warned of a bloodbath from Chinese competition if not re-elected. Surprisingly, Trump expressed openness to Chinese automakers building factories in the U.S. at the Republican National Convention in Milwaukee. Trump suggested amending the U.S.-Mexico-Canada agreement to impose taxes up to 200% on Mexican-made cars. This would impact many U.S. market cars built in Mexico by companies like General Motors, Ford, and Nissan. The Biden administration has already imposed a 100% tariff on Chinese car imports. However, several electric car models, including the Chevy Blazer EV and Equinox EV, are made in Mexico. Trump also vowed to end what he called the electric vehicle mandate, referring to the EPA's emissions criteria. Automakers are required to sell more plug-in cars to meet these targets. Despite Trump's stance, the American auto industry is heavily invested in electric vehicles and employs powerful lobbyists. You are listening to Yuan News.